Hello again, beloved viewers. Ronald here for another drawing challenge this week. Now let me start with the art materials that I'll be using for this video. I use an ordinary A3 bond paper for this, an 8 crayon pack of Crayola, a Mongol 2 pencil, the ballpoint pen that I used from a previous art challenge, and an old eraser. So I'll be drawing something using these art materials. I started off with adding some masking tapes along the borders of the paper so that we'd have that clean margins once we are done with the drawing and once we remove the tapes. I've always wanted to do this challenge for some time now, and I finally get the right time. No, not exactly the right time, but I have the perfect subject for this challenge, I think. On this video, I'll be drawing... This is just a recording, so I drew Nunu and Willump fan art from League of Legends since a rework is scheduled to be released probably in the coming days. And in case you were wondering who these characters are and what League of Legends is, I'll add the links in the description in case you would want to check it out. Again, I'll be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse, so hope you enjoy. Here's the final drawing of my Nunu and Willump fan art. Hope you enjoy. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share if not done already. Thank you for watching and see you next episode.